Hello guys, it's me Saroj here, and it is my second project now of HTML. I'm using only HTML to make my project, and here is now my second project. If you have don't visit my first project, go to the description and there is a link of the first project and see. Okay, let's see this first. Let's see this second project also. Okay, it is like made. I have made a recipe project, and it is like this. You can see all the codes here. I will let you see my code step by step, and it is of ingredient.html code. Here you can see, and every code is put inside the GitHub, and in the description there is a link of GitHub and you can check there, and all the files will be there, and you can download and you can clone it in your computer also, or you can see it also. Okay, I will for now see, let's see website, and this is what I made have here. This is contact us also, and click here to start a and recipe. Like here now I have only made one recipe because further when I will editing and learning new things, I will add more recipe buttons and search button also. For now I have just make this. Okay, here click here to get it, and now here ingredients all showing, and here is click here to move past. Now equipment will show like this. After that step 1, and after step 1 it will show step 2. Here you can see step 2, and here you can see step 3, and I have used strong here, and it is order list of type 1, and it is should be disk. I think it is not being this. Okay, I will now something is happening. Okay, step 3 is making problems. Okay, step 3 is not going to step 4. I think now it will go to step 4. Okay, let's see what's the problem coming here. Ingredients step 3. Okay, let's see what's we are now. No, we are in step 3. Okay, we are in step 3. I think now it is proper. Yeah, it is now being proper. I think you will show what's the problem was here. Problem, it's not being disk. I think now it is correct. Okay, now it is correct, and see here is step 3 also. Step 4. Step 4, when I click in the tips, I use a ref and it is hashtag, and it will directly move me to the tips. Like here is the tips, and it will move me here near the tips and nutrition. Like while cooking I add this. Okay, combine everything. Now click here and step 5 solve. Okay, steps to follow, and like this, and click here to see other recipe. Will move into this page, but this page will later be search type or home to see many recipes. Okay, this much is about my first second project, and this much for today. I will upload as soon as possible of third project also. Okay, this much for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.